Alright, in our last video we installed VS Code, which we are going to be using to write our code, our JavaScript code. Now in this lesson we are going to install Node.js. So you can quickly go to nodejs.org, and this is the official website of Node. We are presented with two options: 8.11.3 LTS, which means long-term support, and then 10.4.1, which is the current version. We are going to download this one because it has long-term support. That means it has been used for a while now. This might still be in the beta version. So we are going to download this one. You click on it to download it, and you wait for it to be downloaded. I think I already have it downloaded, so I'll quickly Alright, this is it. It's already downloaded. Now I'll double click on it to install it. I click on continue. I'll agree with the terms. If you want to read that, you can read that, and then I'll be prompted for my password. If I want to install, I put it in and I install the software. We wait for it to be done. The reason why we're installing Node on our system is so that we can be able to run JavaScript away from the browser. It's done with its installation, and then we can now close it up. We are done with the installation of Node on our machine, and then that's pretty much it. We are set for learning JavaScript.